Alright, gonna show you how to test a bad alternator. Right now I'm running the car with my battery. So I had a voltmeter, I could put it on 20 volts, car is running. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get some alligator clips. There's one right here, got two right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the green one on the positive, the yellow one on the negative, right there. So we're gonna put it on the voltmeter right here, and the other green one on the alternator right there. We have almost 11 volts. Another thing is the car is running, but it's running with this. As soon as I disconnect it, look what's gonna happen. That's it, he died. So it needs an alternator. Alright, so that's how you test a bad alternator. My charger is dying too. Okay, so we're gonna replace the alternator. I'm gonna recharge the battery because it's dead, and that's it. We take it from here. Bye bye.